The OnePlus 12 series includes two smartphones, the OnePlus 12, which is a premium high-end flagship phone, and the OnePlus 12R, which is a flagship killer type of device. And one of the highlights of both these phones is the battery. The OnePlus 12 has a 5400 mAh battery, whereas the OnePlus 12R has a 5500 mAh battery. For flagship phones, these numbers are unheard of. And as expected, the battery performance of these phones is really impressive thanks to the power efficient SoCs and the LTPO displays. OnePlus is already preparing to launch the successor of the OnePlus 12R, at least in the Chinese market. Now, if you do not know, the OnePlus 12R is available in China as the OnePlus Ace 3. The company is soon going to launch the OnePlus Ace 5 in the Chinese market, and this phone is most likely launching as the OnePlus 13R outside China. We have seen details of the phone already, so in this video let us talk about all of that. Starting with the chipset, the OnePlus Ace 5 is launching with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which is the most powerful chipset for Android phones this year. On top of that, OnePlus has also upgraded the battery size in this phone. The phone now has a 6200 mAh battery, which makes it the OnePlus smartphone with the largest battery ever. We know how crazy the battery is in the OnePlus 12R, so we can only imagine how good the battery performance of the OnePlus 13R is going to be with such a large battery and a power efficient SoC. The phone most likely uses a silicon carbon battery, which offers a higher energy density than the lithium-ion batteries, and we have seen some phones already with silicon carbon batteries. For example, the Honor Magic 6 Pro, which has a 5600 mAh battery. Coming back to the OnePlus Ace 5, the display will most likely be the same, that is a 6.78-inch 1.5K LTPO AMOLED. The charging speed is the same at 100 watt and the primary rear camera is the same, so it will have a 50 megapixel sensor. We do not expect any major design change, so we may see the same aluminum frame, a Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection on the front, a glass back, and at least IP64 certification. So the OnePlus Ace 5 or the OnePlus 13R is getting upgraded in two departments, the battery and the performance. We expect a slight increase in the pricing, but OnePlus may surprise us as it did this year by launching the OnePlus 12R at the same price as the OnePlus 11R. Anyways, that is all we know so far about the OnePlus Ace 5 aka the OnePlus 13R. What are your thoughts? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.